2019 looks to be a great year in film, and here is our top 5 anticipated films. Star Wars Episode 9 will be the third and final installment of the Star Wars sequel trilogy. Not a lot is yet known about the plot, but it will conclude the Skywalker saga that was created in 1977's A New Hope. Kristen Stewart, Naomi Scott, and Ella Balinska are set to star in one of the most highly anticipated reboots of 2019 in the upcoming adaptation of Charlie's Angels. The spy flick was originally created in the 70s, however rose to fame again in 2000, starring Drew Barrymore, Cameron Diaz, and Lucy Liu. 2019 will see Guy Ritchie's first foray into musicals with his adaptation of Disney's Aladdin, and the director who is responsible for Snatch and Lock, Stock, and Two Smoking Barrels is known for his frenetic and gritty directing style. Fans have been eagerly awaiting the follow-up to 2018's Avengers Infinity War, and Avengers Endgame will see a conclusion to the story that was started 10 years ago with Iron Man. It will also see the highly anticipated outcome of the last film's massive cliffhanger. We thought it was the end for Andy and Buzz on the last installment of the Toy Story franchise. However, fans are thrilled that the cast will be returning for Toy Story 4. It's going to be an emotional one, as Tom Hanks recently revealed he had to force himself to stop crying as he voiced the last flick. Sick of these promos? Like us and subscribe so we won't have to make up any new ones.